Hello again, everybody. Okay, I've had a lot of people asking me for some more math tricks. And this was a math trick that was done by my friend Singing Banana in contest number 6. It's called the Power of 3. This is a really cool trick because you don't even have to be present. You can do this over the phone. Someone miles away, you can have them get a deck of cards and you can do this trick. So I'll show you how the trick works. We're not going to use picture cards. We're going to have the person, whether they're in the same room with you or a million miles away, we're going to have them select any 3 cards from the deck. So let's say they select a 4, a 9, and a 2. We don't know that. We're just going to ask them now to triple each one of the values of the cards they have. So for example, the 4 times 3 is 12. And since there is no 12, we're going to use an ace, which is a 1 and a 2. So that'll be 12. 9 times 3, we're going to triple 9, which will be 27. So we're going to put down a 2 and a 7. And 2 times 3 is 6. So the spectator now has done that. We asked them to remove the first row of cards that they had originally selected. Now they can mix up these cards that are on the table, and once again we have no idea what they've laid out, but they've just multiplied everything by 3. We're going to have them do this one more time. So 7 times 3 is 21. So we're going to use a 2, and as for a 1, we're going to use an ace. That's 21. 6 times 3 is 18. So there's going to be an ace, and an 8 is 18. Ace, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 3 is 6. So now we're going to have them remove the first row of cards again. And this is what they're left with. So they're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. Now we're going to have them flip over any one of the cards, and let's say they flip over this card, and now we walk back into the room, or if we're on the telephone with them, we ask them just to tell us the number values of the cards that are left on the table. And the way this works is what's called casting out nines. We're going to add up all the cards and we're going to go to the next multiple of 9. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19. The next multiple of 9. Now the multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27. This is 19. We need to get to the next multiple of 9, which is 27. So 19 plus what equals 27, and that means that it's an 8. So that's how it works. So once again, just to go over it again quickly, we're going to have the spectator select 3 cards, and we're not going to look over the phone in the other room. They choose the 3 cards. It's a 3, an ace, and a 6. Remember, picture cards are not going to be used. We have them triple the cards, so they put down 3 times 3 is 9. Ace times 3 is 3. And 3 times 6 is 18. And we're going to use an ace and an 8. There's the 18. Remove the first row because we might need the aces or the numbers again. So now they're down to these cards. They can mix these cards up. Do it once again. 1 times 3 is 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So take a 2 and a 7. 3 times 3 is 9. So we take a 9. And 8 times 3 is 24. So we'll take a 2 and a 4. Remove this row once again. And these are the cards that are left. And once again, we're going to have the spectator turn over one of the cards. Now, they're going to tell us if it's over the phone, they're going to give us the numeric value of the cards that are left on the table, and we're going to guess the value of this card. Or if we walk in the room, we're going to guess the value of this card by adding up and going to the next multiple of 9. So let's add up the numbers. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23. What's the next multiple of 9? Well, 9, 18, 27. We have 23. The next multiple of 9 is 27, which means 23 plus what equals 27, and the answer is 4. So we know the card that they turned over is a 4. So you tell your dad that's 5,000 miles away the card that he flipped over was a 4, and he'll be amazed. Maybe. That's it. See you next time.